Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Dennis from Crypto Planet, also the Crypto Jew on Twitter, and today I'm going to be doing a video analysis on ARK, and this is a cryptocurrency that I am invested in. It's a cryptocurrency that I believe that with its smart bridge technology could really be big for the blockchain and could also be big for cryptocurrency in general. Let's get right into it. So over here, I have the daily chart for ARK, and what I believe is a double bottom. And I wrote this up here. Yep, right there. Potential double bottom pattern. I'm going to drag this down there. And I believe this happened right about here. Oops. And as you guys can see, these candles aren't closing, exactly over here. But that doesn't matter for the double bottom pattern. This whole area, as you can see, it wicks into this area. It all ends in the same area and bounces back up. And I believe we're going to have a breakout very soon. If you scroll out, you can see we've been in this triangle for a very long time. And this is on the daily chart. And this goes back for probably around close to 2 years now. So we found resistance here, support here on the triangle, resistance here on the triangle, multiple resistances over here, support over here. And since then, we've kind of just been, going up and down. Even over here, we don't really have resistance. Over here, we don't really have resistance. But I guess this could be more of a short-term triangle, like just for this area, down to here potentially. And once the breakout happens, maybe that could bring us to around, I would say around this zone. I would target around the 70 to 80 cent zone. No, that's in the long term. That's usually what can be expected after a double bottom. But even after that, I would expect this to reach all-time highs again at some point, which is at around $12. And that's about a 63% increase from where we are now. I calculated that just a little while ago. But one of the great things about ARK is that if you can afford to buy at these low prices and just hold long term, you can also have the benefits of staking. So that would give you 10% yearly in ARK. So you could always have weekly payouts that make up for all that money that you have invested in the coin at this time. That's what I'm actually doing. I have about, well, I'm not going to say exactly how much ARK, but I make a certain amount weekly. I don't want the IRS, coming after me. Fuck them. If you guys are watching this, fuck you. But you'll make a certain amount weekly off of ARK, depending on which ARK delegate you vote for. You vote for a delegate in the system, and you basically get a weekly payout or a daily payout, whatever it may be. I get weekly payouts, and I get a certain amount of ARK every week. But if I'm doing this for the next couple of years, I would be hoping that at some point ARK would be at its all-time highs again. But the great thing is, I'm getting payouts weekly on an asset that would have to go 6,300% times its value in order to get back to that all-time high. So that does happen. I'm accumulating this asset every single week for those 2 years or 3 years, whatever it may be. And I'm just growing my bag during that time. And that's one thing that I do like about ARK, which you don't have with a lot of other cryptocurrencies that don't have staking features right now. A lot of them are looking to implement it in the future. I believe Ethereum is even looking to do that. Cardano, Deep Brain Chain is going to have something similar with masternodes where you get payouts, I believe maybe even monthly. They don't have all the details out yet, but Neo as well. They have staking bonuses. There's tons of these assets. It all depends on which ones you invest in for the largest ROI. A lot of these projects will do fantastic, but to each their own. Some people get emotionally attached to certain projects, which is not something that I recommend on doing. You should never get emotionally attached to an investment. But like I said, to each their own. If you guys enjoyed this analysis, definitely check out my website. We post daily analysis, we post market news, everything daily. We even have a course, and everyone who's taken our course so far has really been enjoying it. And if you guys scroll down over here, this is the website. You'll see we have fantastic analysis. I did an ENJ price analysis. I know a lot of people are really getting into this one. I did Grin. Grin is a coin I actually hold. BNB, why I think BNB can go $100 plus in 2020. Come back. Let me know what happens with this prediction in the future. But that's what I believe. And then just like daily news, we have a lot of articles that come out. You see the market analysis again, and you guys can take our free course as well. So let me know what you guys think of this analysis. Let me know if you're holding any ARK. Let me know what you think of ARK, and definitely join the Telegram chat as well, because I will be posting updates on ARK there. All right, guys, have a good one.